My name's Gary Cernoch. I own a custom millwork business called the Cernoch Works in Weimar, Texas. I would recommend Berdoll Sawmill to anyone who is looking for particularly the native woods, the custom slabs, and that is looking for a good quality product to start with. And I think that anybody that shops with Berdoll Sawmill will be more than pleased with the material they buy.
Most of it's curly pecan.
I've been doing woodworking for over 50 years. I started when I was in junior high. This is all I've ever done for a living. I hope that I've learned something in all those years. Brandon is someone who has a real passion for what he does, and he's also very ethical about the way he operates his business. He keeps a lot of his material in the rough, but he also keeps a lot of it in a pre-surfaced condition, so it's planed and the grain and the color is visible and evident, so people can make a smart selection of their material. And he's just a very accommodating businessman. There are lots of people in this business, but there are not as many that understand the proper preparation and drying of the material as well as Brandon does. He really is aimed at providing the customer with the best possible product, and that's why I like to do business with him.